Hey, hi. So we are going to see today that what are the small steps I took, how I just took all the small steps, what are those things, and after which I am just able to make the live transcription of the speech. So first step was the transcription of the speech. This was the first thing which I saw, which I saw, and I just gave my whole concentration and my whole focus to that thing. That is the transcription, real-time transcription. But I was failed. That I just found that mini transcription I found, that is from audio data to text. I saw many things, that there are many models which are going to give you the audio data, audio text data from the audio, but none of the model is giving you about real time transcription. This is the OpenAI by Whisper by OpenAI. Actually, OpenAI is a very famous company, as far as I think. That is OpenAI is a firm, you can say, which is very well popularized by one of their product, you can say, that is ChatGPT, as we all are familiar with that. And here it is OpenAI. Here it is Whisper. What is this Whisper now? So actually it is the conversion of the audio to text model, you can say. Whisper is going to just convert your Whisper audio to text. How audio? Means audio files. If you are willing to give your audio files, then it is going to only convert your audio files to text, and not the real time transcription it is. So I just found this one, that is a Whisper by OpenAI, and I just gave my whole concentration towards this thing in order to get everything patch out. So what I do here, that is I just called it from the GitHub, that is I installed it, you can say. And I also installed Torch, you can say. If I say about this platform, that it is Google Colab. Actually, it is the place where you can have the practice, or when you are going to launch your any application, you can say, uh, in the developmental stage. So Google Colab is one of the great open source, you can say. It is actually gives you a cloud base. It is a cloud based actually, and you are not going anything is not going to go into your phone's memory. It is all the cloud based. So what we have done, the next thing, that is a Whisper. We import it, then we load the model, you can say. What is the model we use? We use the model that is medium. What is this medium model actually? Actually, there are three types of the model, or very large, you can say, tiny one also, small, medium, large. So these are the model. So I used here medium. Why? Because the larger the model, the larger the accuracy of the speech to text transcription, but the larger the memory also takes place, and the larger the time also. Latency will be high. Latency high means late high. The transcription of the data will be late, but the accuracy of the data will be large. So if you are going to give one benefit, then also you have to just pay for it. So I use the medium here for any convenience, you can say, for just for the sake of this video. So what I found is, and after that I used here, you can say, that is Hindi language I used. Why? I just use Hindi language in order to get the transcription in Hindi, or you can say in order to get the transcription of the Hindi audio files into text. So I used here. So whenever you are going to say any Hindi word, it is going to Hindi. Whenever you are going to upload any Hindi audio file, it is going to just convert it into text. So this is the second thing, and now let's move on. If we go a little below, then what we will going to find, that is it is a place, you can say, it is a place or the file path of our audio file which we just uploaded in order to get the transcription. And where it is, where from where, here you can see, here I just uploaded the my audio files in order to get the transcription. Let me show to you people. This is, see, this is my audio file which I just uploaded here, that is w.wav. It is the extension of the audio files, you can say. And I just name it collab 1, just formally, you can say. And after that, what is the next step we move upon? And after that, we are going to print this transcription. So I ran this one, that is I ran the first one, I want to see you two people to see the output. See, here it is saying that requirement already satisfied, because I just ran the command before I just launched this video. And now see the next thing. The next thing is this one. Actually here is some indentation error, here is some large gap, some less gap. Actually there is some indentation error, so I just clear it. I just remove this error by clicking this button, that is explain error. Here is Gemini there also. It is a AI assistant, you can say. It is going to help you in every situation. So I just asked help from it, and what I found is, see, here the error reduces and it is going to give you now the output very smoothly. When I clicked here, that is Google Colab run code, then what I see is what I see, I am going to see that the transcription of the audio files which I just uploaded, that is aaj lagta hai mausam suhana. So this is the word this is the content, this is a speech which is just embedded in the audio we just uploaded, and here is a model which is going to be downloaded. So that's all about the first step of mine. That is Whisper, that is Whisper by OpenAI. This was the first trial. This was the first thing which I thought that they are going to help me. Let's see the next thing which I just saw. Actually I just ran the VOS model in my own computer, but still but actually I can't found it, so I can't give you the real transcription, but I can give you some of the trial, you can say. See, here import of the VOS model is seen here. From VOS, actually this model is going to be imported, and PyAudio is going to import, which is actually the speech is the library for speech related data. And here is our model, you can say, that is small English model we are just using. Here a Hindi model is also just exist. I will just please wait a little. I am just going to see you the code. Here it is, actually you can see here is the real transcription of the data is going to be takes place. That is what a model for a check, maybe random for text to Miranda, the device for. Actually this is the text which I just told. Actually it's a real time actually, but in this video I'm not able to just show you people that how it is going to work actually. But it is a VOSC recog.py, that is a VOSC model. It is an offline model, you can say. It is a small model, and it is still it is the second step through which I just got, and I found that it is working, but it is also has some you can say some problem, you can say. Let's see the code now. See, I just opened my Spider Python, that is one of the IDE, that is integrated development environment. So here I just imported OS, PyAudio, VOS, that is model, JSON, and after that here you can see here I just given the model path where it is going to just place, or I just downloaded it, and after that is please download the model and specify the correct path. It will be print if the model path is not exist. Otherwise, else, if else statement is here used, you can say. After that if this is not going to be happened, then it will be happened. If we go a little below, that it is here a PyAudio function is PyAudio model is used. Actually it is a very important model, that is PyAudio. And after that, for the microphone permissions or audio related data, this speech, this PyAudio file is very important. And if we go a little below, that is stream function is used here. What is the main it is actually one of the important thing, without which you are not able to just get the live stream with the help of your microphone. So we used that. And if we go little below, that is here we printed start speaking. Whenever you are going to run this model, this you can say this code snippet, then you are going to just see that print start speaking whenever you are going to run, and if your model is correct, if you just imported all these and install all these things. And below that we are going to see, after a certain period of time, stream.stop stream. What does it mean? It is going to stop your streaming of the data, that is conversion of the speech to text. It will be stopped if you are going to just break it, if you are just going to break it by any means. Any means, what does it mean? Any means by just terminating the code, or by any means you can say. So that's all about the it is actually a offline, as I just told to you people. It is the WAS model which I just use after the, that is a after the that is the first one which I just told to you people in this video. Hey, hi. In the last, you can say, if I say in a very simple manner, that is I just saw these, I just tried these transcription. That is, I told you about Vishpa by OpenAI, as we have just discussed all the things, and we have also discussed about the second thing, that is a WAS model, and how we just implemented. We also see that it is a offline model on, and the platform was Spider IDE, and the first one, that is Google Colab, and the third one is Deep Speech by Mozilla Firefox. Actually, it was very complicated. Yeah, it was very complicated, and despite of the fact that I had desktop, I was unable to make it to be happen, because deep speech recognizer is very hard to implement. I don't know what might be the reason that I am not able to just make it run on my own desktop. I don't know the reason. So the fourth one is Whisper mic fine tuned. Actually, it is made by, it is fine tuned by one of the person. I just saw it on YouTube. I just use his fine tuned model, and yeah, it was working, but only for a certain period of time, and after the second time I don't know what is going to be happen, and it is just not stopped working. And the platform was command prompt. I was just running the command on command prompt. And what was the third one? That is web speech API, which was finally I used in the project. As you people might know, we have just seen on my own video, that is last one, the previous video. You might see that we have used web speech API, and I used the platform, that is a CodePen, because CodePen is very well known for using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that's why I am just saying that these are the trial transcription which I did on these platforms. After that, I just make it the final one, that is the last one, but it is not actually the final one. It is having a large number of the errors. It is, the accuracy of it is not very fine. So that's all about the video. I am sure that you are going to have something from this video. Thank you so much, and in the next video we will come very soon.